Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to view blocked email addresses on Gmail. Friends, due to any reason if you want to see the complete list of email IDs which you had blocked in your Gmail account, then you simply need to open your web browser. Now here you need to open your Gmail account. In your Gmail account you need to click on this gear icon. Now here click on see all settings. Now in settings you need to click on filters and blocked addresses. Now friends, here you will find the list of email IDs which you have blocked in your Gmail account. From here you can very easily unblock any email ID by clicking on unblock. Click on unblock again. Like this you can unblock other email IDs also. So friends, like this you can very easily view blocked email addresses on your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.